So when I was told that Terry was coming out from Eastern Canada to Regina, Saskatchewan here at the Python SuperiorRoads facility, I was excited because we were bringing in a guy with 30 years of experience patching potholes the traditional way, and we're going to bring him into our world where it's a one-man operation on an automated machine. I was excited because we're going to take his experience, match it with ours, and see how we can persuade him that this is the new way to patch potholes. Quickly, as we were driving around and I was talking with Terry and showing him the machine, I quickly realized that he was impressed with the machine that we have and the capabilities. So from there, the excitement grew, and I think that we can have a bright future working together and pushing this machine out east to different municipalities and different companies that are in the market for this. Expectations I have going forward, I look forward to working with Terry, using his expertise and our expertise to grow new relationships with the municipalities or companies, and maybe travel around and show this machine off. Maybe Terry and I can hit the road and do some demonstrations. That's where the excitement is right at this point.